Hello and welcome. This is the scene here at Molineux. My name is Derek Ray, excited to be bringing you match commentary. And alongside me, my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. And looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers taking on Liverpool.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always. The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
Number 10, Daniel Podence. Number 11, Hoanji Chan. And number 28, João Moutinho.
Good luck.
And here's the Wolves lineup.
Well, they're starting with an attacking 4-5-1 formation with three players in advance of two holding midfielders. But it's important that the wide players come in field to join the centre forward at the right time.
So the starting lineup for Liverpool. Alisson begins in goal. Virgil van Dijk plays alongside Joel Matip in central defence. Thiago starts alongside Fabinho in the centre of midfield. And they line up with just the one striker looking to do a bit of damage.
Thank you for attending today's game at the Molineux Stadium. Enjoy the match.
So much looking forward to this. Liverpool kick-off. Darwin Núñez. Elliott. Salah. It's with Moutinho. And intercepted it. But he could run onto it here. Oh, that is a majestic goal! Volleyed home with precision and style. Superbly done.
Well, here's the replay. The pass over the top has just the right amount of pace on it, and the volley is struck so cleanly, which shows just how good his technique is. That's a top-class finish.
So underway again here. 1-0 the score. Moutinho. This is Diego Costa. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. Fabinho. Elliott. And Liverpool might be able to cash in. A fine reading of the situation. Corner awarded to Liverpool. They take it short. Not increasing the pressure. Another corner it is. And a short corner, let's see. Well, nicely cut out. Now what can they do with the ball? Collins. It's with Ruben Neves. Encouraging from the Wolves' point of view. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Núñez. Salah! And a goal to increase their advantage to 2 overall. That little bit of a cushion. Now it's all about keeping the concentration.
Well, let's look at that again. I'm almost lost for words here, Derek. It's really sloppy defending. You can't be giving the ball away in such a dangerous area like that and not expect to get punished. It's just really poor.
Well, they have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. Back underway with the lead standing at 2-0.
Substitution for
Moutinho. Is it going to end up being productive for them? And the counter looks on here, options available. Will it be sufficiently imaginative? A goal! Another one! It's turning into an absolute demolition job.
Well, I have to say, he's done really well here. He's in the right place and then a decent finish. That's a good goal.
Well, they get the ball rolling again. It does appear that Liverpool are just about out of sight. Moutinho. Jimenez. And in! Oh yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal.
Well, here it is again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect. And then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
So there it is, 3-1 the current scoreline here.
Well, as you can see, Wolves have had most of the ball, but most of their passing has been in deeper areas. Unless they start getting it into their front players with better quality, they'll struggle to turn this one around.
This might be ideal for the counter. Well, the danger is still there. Mo Salah. Can he finish? And he scored not once but twice. They simply cannot stop him. And no wonder he's enjoying himself.
Well, here it is again. And when you clear the ball, you have to get height and distance on it to give your defence time to readjust. They don't do that. It's a poor clearance, and suddenly the ball's in the back of the net.
Blistering first half display, and just look at that score. Elliott. Harvey Elliott. Well, not hard to read that pass. Moutinho. It's with Ruben Neves. 3 minutes of added time here. Thiago. Oh, it could be. Pivotal moment defensively. And that will be all for the first half. Wolves find themselves trailing. Your analysis?
Yeah, we highlighted their struggles in front of goal, but today it's their defending that's let them down, and I just can't see them rescuing anything from this game.
And the match is underway. But he could run onto it here. Oh, that is a majestic goal! Volleyed home with precision and style. Superbly done. And a goal to increase their advantage to 2 overall. That little bit of a cushion. Now it's all about... A goal! Another one! It's turning into an absolute demolition job. Moutinho. Jimenez. And in! Oh yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal. Mo Salah, can he finish? And he scored not once but twice. They simply cannot stop him, and no one... So back underway, and no sugarcoating it. There was a big gulf between the sides in the first half. Will we see a response from Wolves in the second? A very effective challenge put in. Virgil van Dijk. Fabinho now. Andrew Robertson. Fabinho. Really good interception. Now can they counter clinically? Well, couldn't find a teammate, unfortunately. And a throw-in to come. Alexander-Arnold. Harvey Elliott. Salah. Shot attempted. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. So the corner played into the box. Not the result from the set piece they were looking for. Nelson Semedo. Mateus Nunes. Good tackle taken away. And Moutinho with it. Can he make it count?
Happy birthday to Sasha Walker celebrating today.
Salah will know that the pass needed to be slightly better. And Moutinho with it. A wonderful intervention. Thiago. And there to intervene. Breaking at pace. Well, he keeps going. Salah. Tremendous ball played through. Salah. Nicely timed tackle. And the Liverpool throw-in forthcoming.
Number 11, Awang Hee-chan. Coming onto the pitch, number 37, Adama Traore. Substitution for Liverpool. Coming off the pitch, Number 19, Harvey Elliott.
Fabinho, can he put it in?
14.
Absolutely spot on with that challenge. Ruben Neves. And collected tidily. He had plenty to think about. Well, failure to keep the ball by Liverpool. Mateus Nunes. Coutinho. Is this the moment? And Coutinho with it. Can he fire it towards goal? Terrific block there. And that's an important intervention. We've had the official word. There will be a minimum of 2 added minutes. Well, great read there to intercept. So the referee brings this match to an end. The final whistle is sounded, and far from the ideal scoreline from the Wolves' point of view.
Well, we discussed their lack of goals before the game, but today they had defensive issues. And for me, the main problem was their reaction time when they lost possession. It was far too slow, which left the defenders too exposed to counter-attacks.
But he could run onto it here. Oh, that is a majestic goal! Volleyed home with precision and style. Superbly done. And a goal to increase their advantage to 2 overall. That little bit of a cushion. Now it's all about... A goal! Another one! It's turning into an absolute demolition job. Coutinho. Jimenez. And in! Oh yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal. Mo Salah. Can he finish? And he scored not once but twice. They simply cannot stop him. And no wonder he's in... Salah. Shot attempted. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity.